juggling on this very unstable ground. That is something I want to talk about, which actually I'm quite shy to even mention. It's about the box in front of me. It's about the money. Well, as you can see, what I'm doing is providing entertainment on the street to make a living. It is a tough job, not only because it's difficult and dangerous, but also because nobody pays me to do what I'm doing, except appreciative audience like yourselves. So at the end of my show, please don't just simply turn and then walk away. Spare a $1 or $2 for the hard work put into this show. Come forward, drop something into the box or into the QR code on the right hand side. Keep me alive on the street, okay? Alright, without further ado, the moment of truth, 10 years in the making. Here it comes, folks. Wait for it. Steady. Hey, clap, thank you very much, everybody. And this kind of marks the end of my show. You know what? You have been a wonderful audience. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Have a good week ahead. God bless you, and God bless me. Thank you. As I jump, oh boy. Or maybe not. It's dangerous. Thank you. You may want to come forward now. Your appreciation in Domino's especially is most appreciated. Thank you, awesome boy. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a lovely evening. Thank you, everyone. Those of you who are contributing to the box, thank you so much. Thank you, bye bye. Thank you, lovely. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show once again. I'm going to do this warming up trick for just 30 more seconds, and after this I will start the show immediately. Okay? Okay, alright, the rest of you gather around, come to the front. After this, I promise you the show will go on if no one goes anywhere, alright? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show. After this we begin, okay? Alright, yes, ladies and gentlemen, gather around, okay? Many people are interested, okay, gather around people, okay? We start the show right after this. Here we go, enjoy the rest of the show. After this we begin the show, okay? Alright, finally I have an audience and the show commences right after this. Welcome to the show, but before I start the show, let me do one more warming up trick. Are you over there, girl? Can you please help me? The one that's big, stand right over here. Stand right here. Yeah, stand right here. Over here. Okay, face the audience. Face the audience over there. Okay, you have to stand. Okay, here we go. Hold it. Yeah, hold it. Okay, high up. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, watch the balloon right there. 1, 2, and 3, go! Why you burst my balloon? Give a big round of applause. Thank you so much for helping. Thank you. You may go back now. Thank you. Okay, and ladies and gentlemen,
gentlemen, we're gonna start the show right now. Here we go. Watch. One long piece, one short piece, and one medium. You check, make sure it's good. You check it. Good. Yes, you check this to make sure it's good. It's good. You check this to make sure it's good. Good. Good, good, good. Okay. Alright. You over there, throw it to me. Throw it to me. Like this, throw it to me. Just throw it to me. Okay. Okay, okay. No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, watch. One long piece, one short piece, and last but not least, one medium piece. 3 pieces of from entirely 3 different lengths. We're gonna do something very magical to it, okay? I get up the ends just like this. The short, the medium, and the long. I get up the ends just like this. I give it a wiggle. I give it a blow. And slowly it starts to stretch out. And it becomes the same equal length. Thank you for your kind applause. Oh wait, I take it one step further. I get rid of one piece of rope, I place it right over here. Thank you. How many left? How many here? 2? Okay, watch the 2 pieces of rope. After this, I'll do my grand finale, okay? 1 and 2. All I need to do is give these 2 pieces of rope a wiggle, a blow, and just like this. Thank you. And now it's time for my grand finale. And I tell you what, I'm gonna put this aside right now. Okay, but ladies and gentlemen, before I do my grand finale, allow me to perform one last final trick for all of you. This is my favorite trick. This is magic water from India. Watch this, it's gonna happen very fast. Magic water from India. That's it. Thank you. That's all. Okay, I'll show you one more time. This is magic water from India. It's gonna happen one more time very fast. Here we go. Do you want to see one more time? Come back tomorrow. Okay, magic water from India. Here we go. Thank you. You want to see one more time? Okay, I do one last time and then we do the grand finale. Magic water from nowhere. Thank you. And now it's time for the grand finale. The one in red, can you please help me out? Yes, yes, yes. Come over here. Yes, come, come, come. We do the grand finale right now. Okay, stand right over here. Okay, face the audience. Okay, one step forward. Okay, perfect. Grand finale time, okay? Grand finale. Okay. Here we go. For the grand finale, what I need you to do is I need you to mix up this Rubik's Cube. Mix it up as much as you want. What's your name, boy? I'm sorry? Avery. And while Avery is mixing up the cube, let me explain to all of you something about a Rubik's Cube. A Rubik's Cube, there's 43 quintillion possibilities. So every twist and turn he makes is an entire different combination. And while he's mixing up the cube, I'm going to show all of you over here as something else. This is a Rubik's Cube. This Rubik's Cube I mixed it up before the show. This is my lucky cube. Avery, once you're done mixing up the cube, you pass it to me. Only if you're happy with the cube, then you pass it to me. Are you happy with this or do you want to mix it up some more? You're happy with this? I tell you what, it's very weird that you mix up this cube in this particular combination. You know why? Because out of the 43 quintillion possibilities that you have in this Rubik's Cube over here, today very luckily there is one matching side. But if one matching side is just a pure coincidence, if there's one matching side, there would be a second side that matches right over there. But wait, if the second side matches every, there's always going to be a third side that matches right over there. But wait, if the third side matches every, there always has to be a fourth That is the fourth side, ladies and gentlemen. But wait, if there's a fourth, there always would be a fifth. That is the fifth side, ladies and gentlemen. If there's a fifth side, all the 6 sides will match. And wait, the first time I saw this trick, I was so amazed, I nearly forgot to applaud. Thank you. Okay, I tell you what, Avery, the audience don't seem impressed. We take it one step further. You point to one, point to one, point to one. This one, we're gonna eliminate this, and this leaves us with one final Rubik's Cube over here. But Avery, before you do anything, can you please check if there's anything inside the bag? Well, open the bag, check it first. Check, is there anything? Absolutely nothing. Okay, can I have back the paper bag? Thank you so much. Watch. Empty bag. Empty, 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 empty. Rubik's Cube goes into the bag. Rubik's Cube. Mix up cube. Goes into the bag. Avery, are you left or right-handed? Hold this your right hand. And you do this very gently. And you do that for 3 hours. Yes, 3 hours only. Okay, let me play a nice dramatic music first. Okay, stop shaking the bag. Open the bag, take out the Rubik's Cube, show it to everyone. Thank you very much. But wait, before all of you go, give me 30 more seconds of your time. I want to show all of you one last final trick. But ladies and gentlemen, give Avery a big round of applause. Thank you so much for helping. You may go back now. Thank you so much. You've been a wonderful help. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Before I execute the last and final finale of the show, let me just say something. What I'm doing is street theatre. It's very tough to perform out here in the sun, in the rain. This is the most honest and genuine way to make some money. At the end of the show, please come forward, drop something inside, okay? Here we go. Watch the 50. Here we go. At the end of the show, don't forget to leave a tip, okay? Watch your $50. Nobody pays to be here except appreciating audience like yourself, okay? Watch. Empty. 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 On the count of 3, everybody. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you very much, everybody. You guys have been a wonderful audience. Give yourself a big round of applause. Thank you so much, and have a lovely, wonderful weekend. Thank you. Thank you.